LED wall clocks with various blinking features are becoming increasingly popular due to their ability to add a touch of modernity to any room. These clocks typically have LED lights embedded within them, which can be programmed to blink in different patterns and colors, making them visually striking and attention-grabbing. Some common blinking features of LED wall clocks include 1. Color-changing blinking. The LED lights change colors in a loop, creating a visually mesmerizing effect. 2. Pulse blinking. The LED lights blink in sync with the rhythm of a song, creating a fun and lively atmosphere. 3. Random blinking. The LED lights blink randomly, adding an element of surprise and excitement to the clock's appearance. 4. Remotely controlled. You can control all blinking and coloring features from sitting away with remote control. 5. It has 16 color combination and 5 patterns to change the effect of LED wall clock. 6. 6 months reparable warranty.